Welcome everyone to my show, Cookie Baking with Crystal. First thing we do when we bake cookies is to don our gay apparel.
Cookies!
The next step is to make sure the sink is clean. Next, clear off your table. Spray it down with some vinegar water and get ready for baking. Check out a cookbook. Here's what we'll be making today: gingerbread cookies. Get out some cookie cutters. Here are some things that might make your cookies pretty. Throw on some tunes to get in the mood. Preheat that oven. Get out some tools. Make sure you have the finest ingredients from Harris Teeter Food Lion and Trader Joe's. Get your helper elves to do some of the work, or even all of it.
Breakfast good.
God, it's so sweaty. Okay, here we go. Here's some of the finished product. We are not Martha Stewart. Well, the cookie baking is over and the cleanup begins. I can't say this was the best experience.
Mom, here are my socks.
I almost got a seizure from these blinking
Here are my
lights.
socks, Mom.
My child just dumped wet socks on my shoulder. I'm covered in frosting, and I'm irritated with the whole household. Until next year. And now I'm feeling really sick and have a stomach ache because I ate too much gingerbread dough. Happy holidays.